my wallet?
Give me ice cream. 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 I hate you. Let me put it.
Getting this all down now, right?
As much as I can.
Okay. Hey, wait, no, here, I got some dollars. Yeah, I got some dollars instead. You want a Tweety Bird, right? You want a Ninja Turtle too? You don't even know what that is. Okay, 1, 2, 3 Ninja Turtles. Josh, tell me real fast. You want a Tweety Bird or a Ninja Turtle? Both of them. Hey Ben. Hey Ben.
There you go.
That was classic.
Go over there and eat it.
Here. Your ice cream in the bowl because it's already dripping.
Hey! I'm so full.
Nothing faster than you can eat it.
Bade, bade, bade.
Watch out, there's one.
What's up? That's all.
Another camera scanner. He noticed it. He's walking right towards me.
There's my new case.
Wait, I'm getting appropriate. I know what to do.
You said that.
Food's gonna be growing all over the place. Get out of there. 1, 2.
They kind of.
Well, that's good. And maybe you can write it off. I would, see, that's so cool. It automatically focuses and everything.
Yeah.
What does your stick say?
When I bought
Oh,
where's
boy.
pause?
That's about to...
I see.
It's either going to be record or pause.
And how do you make it zoom?
The thing on top.
Slam!
Okay, Mr. Ruffian.
Move, I'm going down.
You think that showed up on the camera?
No, I didn't see your face.
No, just the mic.
Wait a minute, I'm getting the kids and Chris right now. Aww. Chris is cheesing.
Oh! Skylar, wait your turn.
Hey, Josh. Hey, Josh. Josh, can I see it? Daddy, can you follow me? Yeah, what up?
Skylar, stay out of the road.
No, you leave it on. Ben, leave the shirt on.
Hey, just crash on me.
Yeah, well, you still want to do that. Yeah.
Boo.
That's okay, you don't do that anyway, no big deal. If you're all kind of Yeah!
No.
Yeah!
No.
Yeah, since you missed it.
Man, that's hard. I used to do that when I was a kid, right?
Shorts for. Well, that's cool art. Fine, put the rest of it.
Daddy.
We'll wrap some last one. Okay.
Daddy.
Yep. Alan, I have no idea what
Come
the
out.
Its name is,
I've never
no, it's his name
baby?
I know, but I don't know. I heard.
Lion.
Yeah.
Lion something.
Country safari.
Something like that. And
Daddy!
Dawn got a tattoo put on her shoulder. Right here. What's up his name? Well, she got 3 of them. Sierra. Something.
And take a movie in my garden.
He's totally flew off top of the car.
Uh-oh. Wait.
Hey,
How do you stop this thing?
Oh.
I want you to show big.
Okay, now push this finger and you can zoom it in closer. See that?
Yeah. Hey, how close am I? Shut up.
You're
I'm gonna zoom in on Teeter.
bad example, man.
He's gonna get pissed.
Yeah,
Say,
let's
hey,
do
man,
it.
You gonna do some work?
Woo.
Get the truck out there. Where that van's parked. Oh, it's too far to walk. Walk, you know.
Daddy's drunk. You can't.
Oh my God, he's so
Say,
wet.
man, ain't you ever worked on a job where you had to walk a half a block?
That'd be a good
Just
pose
plug
picture.
in
You
a
should
I
put a
don't do
little
this.
knife in
Then
his
you're on a
hand.
pause, just press your
All
thumb
his
again.
red every-
Tip the garden and I'll talk about it. No. Bim, bim. Yeah? Yeah. Walk with the skateboard. No, come on. Just follow me with the skateboard.
Guys, come here.
I'm going to record him going down part of the hill.
Stay right here then.
Okay. What is that here? Now, come here. Come here. Keep going. You're gonna start at that sewer opening. No. This one. Yeah. Okay. Don't go. Go when I tell you to. Alright. Yeah, wait. And Barry, go where Nicholas is.
You're not going, Josh. You want me to take you over your dad and come kick his butt?
Not yet.
Yeah, you're ready.
Uh-oh. No.
Let's go back in the yard.
Turn this way! Turn this way! Turn this way! Go right here in the front of the van.
Then me.
No, Josh. There's a car! You see those cars? He just got you out of the street so you didn't get hit. Get up on the sidewalk and get out of the street.
Amber.
Did you get that one?
Right?
Scott?
I burped in the camera, I hope you know.
Man, close-ups are... Hey, Amber. You're on candid camera.
I had this one that was a black color.
He split.
Stay out of the garden. That stuff growing, that's like plants in the house.
Hey, Danny, get your
Going.
Your mulching actually grows right in your mulch.
What do you think you're doing?
All the kids put a log.
I didn't ask too deep. Gotta get a rock or something to stick in there.
Hey, put the post in.
That's Danny Wilson.
Hey,
Get you up and do it. Get there and try to push.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it REC?
I got all of them in the screen.
All
I
right.
also got the two dogs.
He's totally getting it too. Okay, that's far enough. Push it back the other way.
Chris, it says, please check clock battery.
Forget that. That means you press something on the side. Ben,
Yeah.
there's 1,000 things on here. Now quit. Especially this, man. Quit screwing with that. And don't touch any of these buttons on the side. You touch one of those buttons on the side, that's what happened.
Please check clock battery.
Stick your hand in here.
Check clock battery.
Yeah.
There is no clock battery in it. It's just when you press one of these buttons that has to do with the timer or shit.
put
Then
some
it
more
says
dirt
that.
in that hole.
I told you.
Tell 'em.
Yeah.
Got
Oh no! Oh no! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Hey guys! Did it get your foot?
Did I recorded it? I recorded it.
Oh Scott! Oh my God!
What?
Back off away from the glass.
Wait a minute. Let me get this off of there.
Did you have to post, Josh? Yeah. Music's going.
Now the battery's going dead now.
It is?
Like that?
I think so.
I can do it. I don't think Josh can do it. I can do it though. I don't think Josh can how. Do you know how?
This is.
Stamp it down good, nice and tight. Stomp on it real hard, like ring around the rosy type stuff. Go round and round the pole. There you go, yeah. All right.
No, you get off my car and you do that. Oh, no.
Good.
Tina gave it to me.
You don't go to the street either.
Who do you have to like?
You heard me. Don't even think of picking it up.
you fucking...
Got Danny's tomatoes here.
Well,
Wait a second, where's my beer at?
we got chili plants growing here.
Chili plants.
And we got tomato plants. And we got lettuces over there. And of course the delayed.
Baby.
What's up, Doc? That's all, folks.
Hey, Nick. Come here. No. See where that rock is?
Yeah.
No, this rock by the tomato plant. See that rock I put there? Put that log right by where that rock is. It goes right there. Here, Nick.
That's up
Where
there,
what?
vacuum.
Hold this end.
Where does it go?
No, right here.
Right here.
Yeah, I guess about right there would be fine.
And here's Danny working the tape measure.
There. We're soon gonna murder that zombie.
Put your feet up so they don't drag on the floor. That's what's making us stop. Let's turn around. I hear it first. I told you. Ben, put your feet up.
Wait for Ben to go. Okay, go!
Wait a minute. Okay, time out. Next to Ben. Josh.